Welcome to Public Wire, your number one source for small cap market news. STEM Holdings, Inc., a company focused on leasing properties for use in cannabis production, has upgraded to the OTCQX Best Market from the OTCQB Venture Market. STEM Holdings, Inc. has begun trading on the OTCQX under the symbol STMH. We are excited to announce our upgrade to the OTCQX Best Market, said Stern's CEO, Adam Burke. Moving to the OTCQX will provide greater exposure within the U.S. financial community and broaden our shareholder base. The We Company, the parent company to WeWork, has filed to withdraw its initial public offering. This comes a week after the startup removed founder Adam Neumann as its CEO. The withdrawal of its IPO allows Neumann's successors to proceed with the company's financial turnaround without disclosing as much information publicly. The decision to scrap the IPO will apply pressure to secure alternative funding. Their $6 billion loan deal with banks was hinged on a successful share sale of at least $3 billion. The company is looking to trim its workforce and slow down the expansion plans to burn through less cash and require less fresh funding. We have decided to postpone our IPO to focus on our core business, the fundamentals of which remain strong. WeWork's newly appointed co-CEOs, Artie Minson and Sebastian Gunningham, said on Monday. We have every intention to operate WeWork as a public company and look forward to revisiting the public equity markets in the future, Minson and Gunningham added. Superior Energy Services, Inc., OTCQX SPNV, a company which serves the drilling, completion, and production-related needs of oil and gas companies, will now trade on the OTCQX Best Market. Superior has previously traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Superior Energy Services has begun trading on the OTCQX under the symbol SPNV. Spectrum Global Solutions, Inc., OTCQB SGSI, a leading provider of next-generation communications, network infrastructure, and maintenance solutions, announced that it has received $3.3 million in new contract awards. The new awards are made up of work orders from both new and existing clients who are building upon prior work orders. They are mainly for infrastructure projects as carriers upgrade their networks ahead of the rollout of 5G in the United States. We continue to see strong demand for our professional services as more and more clients realize the need for additional professional and technical staff to support ongoing projects, said Roger Ponder, Chief Executive Officer of Spectrum Global Solutions. Our enterprise solutions vertical continues to win new projects in support of our clients' network expansions and modifications. Kraken Robotics, Inc., KRKNF, announced that its subsidiary, Kraken Robotics Systems, Inc., will receive a financial contribution of $749,746 from the National Research Council of Canada Industrial Research Assistance Program, NRC-IRAP. The funding will be used for research and development of Kraken's Thunderfish XL underwater vehicle, AUV. This is all part of Kraken's $20 million Ocean Vision project. Recently, Kraken delivered their Thunderfish Alpha platform to the Defense Research and Development Canada, DRDC, which Thunderfish XL represents further development of the Alpha platform. Kraken's AUV is a marine robot designed for ultra-high resolution ocean floor imaging and mapping. The AUV can be used for a range of tasks, including underwater surveys, environmental monitoring, habitat mapping, marine archaeology, inspection of submerged structures, searching for downed aircraft, and naval mine countermeasures. Ortho Spin Limited, OTCQX TRNLY, announced that it has received regulatory clearance from the United States Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, for its robotic external fixation system for orthopedic treatments. Ortho Spin's external fixation system addresses the two major challenges of today's manual fixation systems. The Ortho Spin system automatically makes pre-programmed adjustments, precisely and continuously eliminating manual adjustments and patient training. The Ortho Spin external fixation system delivers a better patient experience, and it reduces the need for time-consuming follow-ups. Ortho Spin CEO Oren Cohen remarked, "Receiving FDA clearance is an exciting achievement for us. We were thrilled at the efficient, fast process. Our robotic struts eliminate the need for manual adjustments, improve patient compliance, and the process is expected to be less painful. Ortho Spin systems can monitor biomechanical parameters, and in the future will enable the device to automatically send real-time updates to physicians for following patient progress. This allows fine-tuning of the treatment regimen if necessary, including a personalized treatment plan for each patient." Nerds on Site Inc., QTCQB NOSUF, a mobile IT solutions company, released its May 31st year-end financials. The company has had a very eventful year, highlighted by the fact that Nerds is now a publicly traded company, said Mr. Charles Regan, Nerds CEO. Our overall revenues are up 6% year over year. But since taking the company public, our team has been focused on accelerating expansion into the US and applying our resources to scaling up services areas such as cybersecurity, both of which are significant growth areas that will be reflected in future results. Company revenue increased to $8.9 million in 2019 from $8.4 million from prior year, a 6% increase year over year. They successfully converted $2.83 million out of the $2.86 million of the convertible debentures issued in 2017 and bearing interest at the rate of 10% per annum into equity. The company repaid all balloon loans having high interest rates. In November 2018, the company successfully completed its IPO for gross proceeds of $4.7 million and net proceeds of $3.9 million. Food Lion Associates and community partners in the Food Lion Feeds #NoEmptyPlate social media campaign announced that it is donating 1 million meals to Feeding America and their member food banks in Food Lion's 10-state service area. Food Lion Feeds created the campaign in support of Feeding America's Hungry Action Month in September. They committed to donate 1 meal for every post on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, up to 1 million meals, featuring an empty plate using #FoodLionFeeds and #NoEmptyPlate. This donation supports the Food Lion Feeds commitment to donate 1 billion more meals by 2025. Ending hunger in the towns and cities we serve will take all of us working together, our associates, customers, and community partners. This campaign demonstrated how vitally important people across our towns and cities believe the issue of hunger is. And we were thrilled that so many people took action and joined us in this one simple way to make a difference in the lives of their neighbors, said Emma Inman, Director of External Communications and Community Relations at Food Lion. Thanks for joining us for another weekly roundup of the OTC market news. Be sure to check out publicwire.com and subscribe to our blog with all the newest OTC news and announcements. I'm your host, Duke Hillinger. See you next week.